Hi guys, welcome to our channel. How's everyone doing? In today's video, we are going to talk about importance of gifting plants. Exchanging gifts have become really important part of your social life. And there are too many occasions that you want to celebrate and make heartwarming gestures to your loved ones. And only last year I have realized that what better way of doing it than gifting a plant. Having plants around have number of positives, crazy health benefits, they purify air, instant mood lifter, they can last for a really long time, which makes them better than flowers, and they are suitable for any occasion. And you know what? If you learn how to propagate, then it won't even pinch you that much. In this video today, let's learn to propagate few plants, the easy ones, and also let's see how you can make these plants turn into gift. So in this video today, I'm going to show you how to propagate easily. Propagation means making plant out of plants. That means making multiple plants for multiple occasions, and you'll always be gift ready. So this one over here is Echinopsis from cactus family. Propagating from this was not very difficult. If you can see over here, I have made this one out of this one. So what I had done was just the ones which were falling out, like this one over here, I had taken it and planted in another pot. So this one is ready. I can make one more out of this. I'll just pull out one of this and show you how it has rooted so that you all understand that this really works. Look at this. So this one was a success. Now this one is easily ready for gifting. This one over here is Rhaphidophora, and propagating this one is also very easy. Just have a closer look at this one. This is a node. You have to cut below the node. You can cut over here, you can cut over here, or you can cut over here. Basically, in these plants, you need to look for a node. So I'm just going to demonstrate one and show it to you so that you get a better understanding. Look over here, this is the node. It is very important to use an exclusive pair of scissors. This will not damage the plant while cutting. Here, this is where you should cut. This is the second one over here. And I don't want to cut it anymore, so I'm not going to. I'm just going to trim this so that it's better. Now this can become a separate plant, and this can become a separate plant. All you have to do is get rid of one leaf. And this is the good to go. I'll just show you how I had propagated earlier from this plant, and I'll just show you what is the result like. Look at this. So it was only this leaf. As you can see, this is an old leaf over here. It was only this leaf, and this is how it has grown from here. So if you just understand what is a node over here like that, and you understand where to cut the plant, you're home. You can do multiple propagations from multiple plants. This is just to show you where is the node of a money plant. So if you want, you can start with the money plant first. Here, This is the nod of the money plant, similarly to what you saw of Rhaphidophora over here. So what I'll do is I will propagate a money plant for you also, so that you will understand how to start propagating money plant. So if you can see over here, this is the node here. So what I'm going to do is I have to just cut below this node. Yeah, done. See over here? This is my node. I'll cut it over here. I think 2 is enough over here. This is 1 over here, and this is 1 over here. So this part is important. What you see over here is important. This thing is not important unless it has nodes over there. See over here, if you can see, there are two tiny ones. So I'm going to let it be. This is fine. And I'm going to simply just put them in water. I'll also show you few cuttings of money plant, because you know, money plant is supposed to be one of the most auspicious kind of plants, easiest plants to take care of. This is one money plant which I had propagated starting of this year, and it has rooted quite well. And I'm thinking of gifting this in water itself. So my gift is ready. I just need a good card to go with this, and I'm ready with my gift. Look at this. You know, I can also club this with this. Actually, I'm going to do that. It's a friend's birthday next month. I'm going to give her this amazing bowl of cactus along with this money plant over here. It's personal, it's cute, it's easy to maintain. You definitely can be generous. You can club a plant with something else, but do not hesitate by just giving a plant as a gift. So that was that, importance of gifting plants. If you've liked this video, then please subscribe to our channel and also share this video with a lot of people, so a lot of us can get a lot of plants. Always be gift ready, guys. See you. Bye.